Welcome to the NIOS. In this video, we will talk about operating system, elements of Windows XP, desktop elements. A computer system has many resources like hardware and software. Which may be required to complete a task. The commonly required resources are input and output devices, memory, file storage space, CPU, etc. The operating system acts as a manager of the resources and allocates them to specific programs and users whenever necessary to perform a particular task. Therefore, the operating system is the resource manager. It can manage the resources of a computer system internally. The resources are a processor, memory, files and input-output devices. In simple terms, an operating system is an interface between the user and the machine. To understand this operating system, let's understand the concept of the operating system. First, we will talk about operating system. The operating system of a computer is its most basic program which it needs in order to function and run other programs. Examples are laptop, tablets and desktop computers. All run operating systems that you have probably heard of. Some examples include versions of Microsoft Windows like Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista and Windows XP. Apple's Mac OS, which is formerly known as OS X. Some other examples are iOS, Chrome OS, BlackBerry tablet, OS and flavors of the open source operating system Linux. Your smartphone runs an operating system too. Probably either Apple's iOS or Google's Android. Now we are discussing the elements of the Windows XP. Elements of Windows XP when you log on a computer, when the computer system loaded with Windows XP is started, it will present a login screen to log on to Windows or to the network if the system is part of a computer network. To be able to log on, we have to follow 2 points. The first is we have to enter the password if it is password protected, and the second point is click on the key or hit the enter key. Now we are discussing XP desktop element. First we will talk about start menu. When we click on the start button, a pop-up menu appears on the screen giving all the available options to start the windows. Now we will talk about overview of options available. All programs. All program displays a list of installed programs which a user can start or use. My documents. My document displays a list of documents used by the current user. My recent documents. My recent documents displays a list of recently used documents by the current user. My picture. My picture displays a list of picture or photos used by the current user. My music. My music displays a list of music or songs used by the current user. Control panel. It displays a list of utility configure the computer system and install software and hardware. Printers and faxes. It displays a list of currently installed printers and faxes in the current computer system. Help and support. Start the XP help and support program to find how to do a task in window. Search helps the user to find, displays a list of documents used by the current user, files, folders and other networked computer and shared resources. Run starts an application program or execute a DOS command. Log off the currently logged in user of the system. Turn off computer. Close currently opened program. Log off the current user and switch off the computer system. Now we will talk about taskbar. When you start a computer system, then start and taskbar appears on the bottom of the screen, and by default remains visible when window is running. Whenever a program is run or a window is opened, an icon representing the program appears on the taskbar. To switch between windows or other program, just click on the icon representing the window on the taskbar. When the program or window is closed, the icon disappears from the taskbar. Now we will talk about starting a program. How to start a program? To start a program, we have to follow few points. The first point is we have to click on the start button. Second point is we have to click on the all programs. Third point is point to the desired folder, for example, accessories, and select the desired program to run, such as Paint. Now we will talk about quitting a program or closing a program. How to close a program? To close a program, select the close button, the cross button in the upper right corner of the window, or click on the File menu and select Close Close option. Now we will talk about getting help. You don't have to remember how to do everything with Windows XP. If you get stumped or stuck, Windows XP feature an easy to use help and support center to assist you. Let's now understand how to get help and support. First, we have to click the Start button, then click at the Help and Support button. The Help and Support Center window open. The Home section is displayed. It has 4 options. The first option is Index. The second option is History. Third option is Support. Fourth is Option. First, Index option helps to locate specific topic listed alphabetically, and then we can follow the instructions as displayed on the screen. The second option of History helps in finding the pages that you have read in the past. The third option of Support gets various kinds of online support such as Microsoft Online Support, news group on Windows, etc. Fourth option helps in configuring the help and support center as per your requirement. In this video, we talked about operating system, elements of Windows XP, desktop elements, I hope you understood it well. For any query, you can log on to www.nios.ac.in. If you have any further query, then you can email us at signlanguage@nios.ac.in. Thank you.